Okay, welcome to a video about Playground Express from Adafruit. So we're going to make sure we're on the Open Source Lab website. We're going to come down here and click on Express Project to Beethoven. What you will learn, the basics of coding with 3D design, and you need the Playground Express, a USB, and your Tinkercad open in a new tab. So I'm going to open my Tinkercad. Then I'm going to click here. That's my first step. And I'm going to copy and tinker this design. As it's opening, we're just waiting. And here is the design. I'm already logged in, so it just took me right to this. You have three things here. So you have Darth Vader's head, this small piece, and this stand. This stand right here is going to fit onto the Playground Express holder that we will have some printed out of. This needs to be a hole in the bottom of Beethoven's head. So I just wanted to show Darth Vader's head as an example here for what you're going to do. What you're also going to do, because we're going to be putting a plant into this, is you're going to bring a cone in. You're going to rotate it up on its end and have the cone all the way down inside of Beethoven's head in your project. That is step one. Now, where do we get Beethoven's head? We come over here and it says Thingiverse Beethoven. We're going to click there. Here's Beethoven's head. You're going to come down and click on Thing Files. When you click right here, Beethoven's head is downloaded, Beethoven STL. I come into my Tinkercad, I click Import, bring this right in, import, and I have Beethoven's head loaded in a short period of time. Perfect. Now what you're going to have to do, and I'm not going to help with this, is rotate Beethoven's head, and you want to chop it off. If you can see Darth Vader's here, flat at the top, flat at the bottom. So we don't need any of this fancy clothes here. Then you're going to put a hole underneath, like in Darth Vader's head, and a cone up top in Beethoven's head. That's what it will look like. It should look something like this one here that I've already made. There's Beethoven's head. As you can see, there's a cone in the top and a hole in the bottom, which is this, which is a hole. Also, this is the piece that we're going to be putting the Playground Express in. So that's the Thingiverse. YouTube here is Ode to Joy. You're going to listen to this song. E, E, F, G, G, F, E, D, and so on. Those are the notes. And how do you know those are the notes? You might be musically inclined already, or here are the notes on the keyboard. Okay, this is something that you're going to have to practice. The last thing, we're going to click here and go Circuit Playground Express Ode to Joy. And you are welcome to edit this any way you want. Okay, your goal for this lesson is to make verse 2 in the song. So we're going to come down here and it says on button A clicked, and you can see I have E, E, F, G, G, F, E, D, C, and so on. And when we click here, that is verse 1. Your goal is to come back to YouTube, write down the rest of the notes for verse 2, okay, and have that below this, okay? You can mess around with any of the lights or animation as you want, okay? Now, so just to recap, we've copied and tinkered our part. We bring the Beethoven head in. We make a hole in the bottom, a cone in the top. We come over here, we listen to verse 2 in the song. Then we edit it in here and we can put it all together in the end. Thank you very much for listening.